a different vlogging today. So today we are doing a river cooking video. So I take up some things. So I buy one of the cucumber, lettuce, I will get some beer. As you know, so you can't go on the river without beer. So I pick up some of the stuff them already what I need. So I get some of the other stuff them, which are beer and water. And I think I want one of the small box milk. See them down there. So I think I want one of the small box milk. I think I want one of the small box milk. And shout out to the cameraman who working hard behind the scene, guys. You know, we can't left out the cameraman. He's the one who made the videos possible. So we are putting the work for you guys. And happy Sunday to each and every one. So we want some water, beer, juice. Now again, catch up. I make way for the beer, guys. So I get a 6-pack of the beer. You know, so we are doing fried chicken, fried shrimp, sweet and sour sauce, rice and peas, and some vegetable on the river today. So it's gonna be a epic cook today, because I know you guys been waiting for the outdoor cooking at the river. So, and you know it's summer now, so we are gonna start the vlogging at the river from early out, you know. So we just pick up the rest of things them for the vlog, guys. So but we there I go and put in the work, man. Shopping list almost completed. And Scotch-Brite. So we get everything from the supermarket, the beer, Scotch-Brites, etc. So we are currently on our way out of the town now, which is Savlamore. So we're heading to the river. So I'm going to show you some of the scenery and the views of our beautiful country, which is Jamaica. So happy Sunday again, guys. Shout out to the cameraman, big up to my taxi driver, you know what I mean, maroon, crazy taxi driver, you know what I mean. So guys, if you are coming in Jamaica and you are coming in Westmoreland area, you can reach out to me. Maroon always 24 hours when you come on to taxi service. You can link up, and you know, he will come at the airport to pick you up. He will carry you around anywhere in Westmoreland you want to go. Good driver. So guys, we reached at the river. So we're trying to shoot the scenery around different places based up off of the amount of music. So we are going as far as possible. Some crossing the water going over to the next bank. And this is where we're gonna shoot the video, which is right at the edge of the water, the river. So we're shooting the video right here. Adding some of the beer, then make them go and chill upon the ice. Yes, sir. Catch up the fire, wash the peas and I put it on right now. And I use some ginger and some garlic in a heat. So I have no time for waste today guys, because it look like rain are gonna fall too. So we just have to just get right into the video as I reach at the river. I can't even take a swim. And I cut up the chicken. Get ready. So it's chicken and shrimp today. So go through and clean out the feathers at the waste and the garbage into the bag. So we're not leaving any rubbish at the river. Because look, you can see, look at the beautification of the river. It's nothing better than cooking outside and reacting with nature. You can hear the birds. I use some lime juice, wash off the shrimp and the chicken. You know the lime juice is gonna help reduce the rawness. So I'm currently cutting up the seasons. So I'm seasoning up the chicken and the shrimp. So I'm using one onion. I'm using half of the onion in the chicken. I'm just splitting the seasons equal. And a little bit of pepper, green pepper. And I'm using some garlic. I'm using some pimento seed. I'm adding some shredded ginger. Just a little bit to help to add flavor. I'm adding just a little bit of garlic powder. I'm adding a spoon of all-purpose season, 1 spoon of fish season. I'm seasoning them and then wrapping them so they can stay there and marinate. So I'm adding 2 spoons of chicken season, 2 spoons of all-purpose season, just a little bit of salt, so I'm seasoning and tasting the season to make sure that it is not too salt. So it's better if the food is fresh, so you can always add to it, but if it is salt, you know you can't take out the salt from it just like that. Yeah man, right seasoning guys, everything perfect. So I'm finished seasoning them, which is the shrimp and the chicken. So the next step now, I have to grate the coconut. So as you know guys, we are not at home, so there's no way or any time to waste. We have to put in the work, and you know, cause we don't want the rain to come down. So right now me I ox out the coconut. I can't help but all over the river. The view is amazing. Amazing view guys. Water is crystal clear. Nothing better than nature, guys. Telling you. So we finished grate the coconut. So we have go back up where the pot there. We go extract the juice from the coconut now, which I squeeze it. So I'm gonna squeeze out the milk out of the coconut now and add it on the peas and make the coconut go and cook with the peas. So a lot of persons are coming at the river with us today, so I'm waiting on them. So I don't know what taking them so long. Maybe they're just waiting on the pot to finish. Adding the coconut milk. Nothing better than rich coconut milk in the rice and peas. So I add 2 pieces of garlic in the oil, and I go add some all-purpose seasoning in the flour. Just a little bit of baking powder. I'm gonna add some milk over the chicken. So I'm just slightly tossing them into the flour. Taking out the first set of fried chicken. So I'm adding some more in. Checking on the chicken, just flipping them. Checking on the peas. So you practically cook. And I'm going to season up a pot now. I'm adding some thyme, bell pepper. So I'm seasoning up the peas water. I'm adding half stick of butter. A little bit of salt. Scallion. I'm adding a green pepper in the rice and peas water. So the green pepper will help to add flavor to the rice. I get a lot of questions, persons asking me why I add the green pepper in it. So like I'm just letting them know that it is to add flavor to the rice and peas. I'm gonna add in the rice, strain out the water. So the last set of chicken in the pot now. So I'm just adding some more fire on there. Guys, you see that? Hard burn. So I'm making a batter for the shrimp. So I'm adding a little bit of fish season, an egg, or 1 egg. I'm adding 1 egg, some beer, so I'm gonna mix out this, which is the butter. Mixing out the flour. So finish mix out now. Guys, look at the camera, man. The cameraman is soaking up into the water. The cameraman is soaking off in the water, guys. I am currently adding the shrimps into the batter. So I'm just gonna take them out and add them into the dry flour. So I'm just gonna stir them through. And this is my first river video. As you know, it's an outdoor cooking channel, and this is how the content are gonna be shooting out there. So we're gonna be shooting the content anywhere, any river all over Jamaica. So I'm taking out the shrimp. They're looking really good. Look at them, guys. All crispy and nice. Add in the last set. Rice done. I'm just taking out the thyme and the scallion. So I'm currently making the sweet and sour sauce. I'm using some ginger, garlic, scallion. I'm using an onion, guys. I'm using some ketchup. I'm using some lime juice. So I'm catching the sourness of the sauce before adding the sugar to it. I'm looking for the spoon. Adding some vinegar. I'm adding just a little bit of water. And just make it simmer down for a minute or two. So I'm making 2 forms of sweet and sour sauce. I'm making one which is not spicy for the chicken and one which is spicy for the shrimp. So I'm gonna add some pepper. And then I'm just gonna add the shrimp into the sauce. Just for a minute. Just gonna flip them in the sauce. So that's the way how I make my spicy sweet and sour sauce. So food done, cook people, everything done. Sauce for the chicken, rice and peas finished. And the chicken done. So everything finished. So I'm sharing for the big boss himself, guys. I know the man behind the scene where I do the recording. This is for the big man himself, guys. Just add a little bit of sauce on it. Yeah man, so I video we are end off now. Yeah man. So the pot done cook. I'm just there I go and vibe off, guys. My neighbor there was supposed to come with us at the river. I know I don't see them. Calling them, no one answered. So I'm just here just eating. Sweet and sour shrimp. Tastes really good. Excellent job as always. Caribbean vibes. Guys, the water feels so good. Can't resist the water. It's like when everyone left. But you know we have to go home, have to edit the video. But please like, comment and subscribe for more awesome videos.